How to change Gmail signature on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gmail application on your phone. The Gmail app allows users to access and manage their Gmail accounts, including sending, receiving, and organizing emails. The app also offers options for customizing settings, managing multiple accounts, and utilizing smart features like Smart Compose. On this page, you can view all your emails on Google. Go to the top left corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Go to the Compose and Reply section and tap on Signature Settings. From here, you can edit and change your mobile signature. Enter your signature and then tap on Done at the top. Following these steps, you can easily change Gmail signature on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.